Hi, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You can find a written version of this recipe by visiting my website, 3catsfoodie.com. A generous amount of plump, juicy prawns with tasty slices of Spanish sausages. Simply irresistible, this pasta dish can easily be made at home. Let's start with the pasta. We need 400 grams of linguine or spaghetti. I always add a bit of salt and some olive oil to my pasta water. Cook the pasta until al dente. That's slightly firm, with a chewy texture. Overcooked pasta will make it mushy and unpleasant. Reserve about half a cup of pasta water. You can cook pasta on a separate hob, then transfer it straight into the pan with the other ingredients. I prefer to drain the pasta, rinse them in cold water, then toss it with a tablespoon of olive oil. I'll then set the pasta aside until needed. I have 400 grams of large, frozen prawns, which have been thawed. These prawns are conveniently shelled and cleaned, so they're ready to go. We also need 200 grams of cured Spanish chorizo. These flavorful, smoky sausages can range from spicy or mild. Slice them about 0.5 centimeters in thickness. Look at these beautiful juicy grape tomatoes. We need 200 grams. We're just going to cut them in half. You can also use cherry tomatoes. Finely chopped shallots. We need lots of garlic, 8 minced cloves. So you probably don't want to have this on a first date. 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. We're going to brown the sausages. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Add the sausages, spread them out, and cook for about 1 or 2 minutes per side. Remove the sausages from the pan, transfer onto a plate. For now, we just want to partially cook the prawns. Sear them for about 30 seconds per side. Remove from the pan and set aside with the sausages. We're going to use the same pan, so I'm just going to do a quick wipe, using tongs and paper towels. Pour half a cup of olive oil to the pan. Heat over medium heat. Add the garlic and shallots, then stir to cook for a minute or until the shallot softens. It's time for a drink. Let's stir in 1/4 cup of white wine. Cook for 2 minutes or until the alcohol smell disappears. Then add the tomatoes. I'm also adding 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. You can lessen this or just leave it out. Cook just until the tomatoes start to soften. This is looking good. Don't you just love the smell of sizzling garlic and shallots? Let's add the pasta and fold until heated through. Then add the prawns and chorizo. Fold regularly until prawns are cooked and the pasta is nicely heated. Time for the salt. I added 1 teaspoon. This might sound like a lot, but we need to season all the pasta. Add the lemon juice and 2 to 4 tablespoons of pasta water to loosen it up. Taste your pasta. Adjust to your liking by adding more salt, pepper, lemon juice, or chili if needed. Serve with shredded Parmesan cheese. There we have it. Amazing pasta at home. I bet you'll never find pasta this loaded with prawn and sausages when eating out. please visit me at 3catsfoodie.com. You'll find a written recipe with a clear, step-by-step guide and tips. I have also converted the cooking measurements so it's user-friendly. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.